In this video, I am going to show you how your student can access their Gmail and their Google Classroom once they are logged into their Chromebook. If you are experiencing trouble getting your student into their Chromebook, please contact onlinehelp@cherrycreekacademy.org. We will respond to you as quickly as possible during normal school business hours. Once they are logged into the Chromebook, if you select the Chrome browser, it will bring you to this view. All they need to do to access their email is click right here on Gmail, and to access Classroom, they click these tiles here, and they click Classroom. This is a sample student that I have created, and I have two fake classes right here. I believe that our younger grades might only have one class. If you have only one class, then it would be listed here. If you have trouble with that class, please contact your teacher. If you have more than one course, all of them would be right here. If you have any trouble with any of those courses, please contact the teacher associated with that course. If you need troubleshooting or you need any additional support, then you would please email onlinehelp@cherrycreekacademy.org. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.